Adding and subtracting integers. I can add and subtract integers.
Thank you, Ava. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, we started off on number 1 by simply talking about adding integers, and we got confused. Yes or no?
Yes.
I know I've been teaching this for 19 years, and even I get confused doing this. Because we had a problem like 3 plus 2. What's 3 plus 2?
5.
Pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
What is 3 plus negative 2?
1.
1, but does that get a little bit more complicated?
Yeah.
And then we said something about, well, if you have 3 plus negative 2 is really the same as 3 minus 2, but we didn't really know why. And then I gave you a problem, 3 plus positive 2. What's 3 plus positive 2? 5. Again, we have two signs together. And then we got really tricky and we had 3 minus negative 2, which you guys said was the same as 3 plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So all of those were kind of confusing to us. So we went down to number 2. We said, forget the cheat sheet idea for main idea number 1. Let's talk about the rules, and I gave you some variables. You guys remember the variables?
Yeah.
So what happens when you have two positives? What happens when you got A plus a positive B? What does the rewrite look like? Positive. What if you have a positive and a negative together?
Negative.
What if you have a negative and a positive together?
Negative.
And what if you have a negative and a negative?
Positive.
And we said two of the exact same signs make a positive, and opposite signs make a negative. So here we have opposite signs and opposite signs. Therefore, we have a negative and a negative. Same signs, positive, positive. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So when we go down to our actual practice, and I gave you a problem like 19 plus negative 3, what is the ding, ding, ding? What's the alarm going off in your head when you see plus negative 3? What's the alarm nicking your head?
Minus.
It's
positive and minus.
a positive and a negative may equal a negative, but what do you know even before that? What do you know you have to do when you have two signs together, Nick?
Rewrite.
Everyone say what? Say that.
Rewrite.
So if you have two signs together, the rule in this classroom from here on out for the rest of the year is you rewrite it with how many signs? Cody, how many signs do you rewrite it with? One sign. We have two signs here, we rewrite it with 1. So number 12, we have a negative and a negative. What does that mean? Starts with an R. Rewrite. So a negative and a negative make a positive. If you're confused, if you're having a hard time with the math, you should always use what?
A number line.
A number line. Use a number line. So the two big things from this lesson, even though it took us 45 minutes to get through, two signs together, you always
Rewrite.
a little more enthusiasm. Two signs together, you always
Rewrite.
And if you're having trouble with the math on adding or subtracting, use a
Number line.